What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing adult Sasuke with the Susanoo armor and Indra's arrow, right? So this is a fan art by Official Blue Nova. Pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna do. He's holding the arrow like down off the bottom of my page, but I'm gonna do the arrow here and maybe like the bow, some of the bow on this side. It's just lightning, right? So I'm gonna start with the sort of crown that's on his head, right? Just to get everything centered. So we're just gonna go across like so. Right, he points down in the middle and goes back the other side. Right, like this, kind of like an arrow pointing down. And then this will go back into there. And then we have another sort of horn or something sticking up here. Right, and then this goes off up top of my page. Can't see the top of it, but it just goes to a point up the top. If you have more room, and then like some lines here, and then a line right up the middle. So we can only see one eye, right? And it's just here, just below the sort of this horn, just down here, right? So we just go diagonal up and across, right, like that. And then we'll sort of do that Naruto hook at the back bottom of the eye, right at the top eyelid. Right, and then the bottom eyelid, you just bring it across down to there. He's looking up, right, so he's frowning quite heavily. So the eye comes down from underneath the top eyelid just there. And then his pupil. Just in the middle. And we give him some Sharingan, right? So we put one. I drew this recently. Sorry, no, I just need an image of the Sharingan. Okay, so we'll do one here and here. And there's one up there that we can't see. So we go there. You can give him Mangekyo or anything if you want. And then there is a line that kind of joins them together, but it's barely visible. Right, like so. So that's all we can see. We can see like a little bit of his eyebrow. I'll draw the eyebrow. So say, put it, so he's frowning again, real heavy. So I'll start here and then we just go this way. And then we just thicken it up at the front, right? And we'll color it black. Okay. And maybe some like stress lines just around his eyes. Right, so then it's just hair then that comes down across his eyes, right? So we go, so like it kind of cuts off his eye here a bit, right, like that, and then this bit goes down this way. Then another one here. So, right, like that, and then the other one comes across his face. Here, like so. Right, and then his head just comes up and around this way. Okay, so you can't see a mouth or anything because he's got this sort of mask on, right? And it's really close. So it goes up across his nose here, down, and there's like a chunk taken out of it here. Same on this side. It comes down, bit of a chunk taken out, back up to there, right? And then his chin. So his chin, so you want like the chin to be about halfway down the head. So here to here, like the skull, right? So here to here is about the same as where the chin would be. So let's say here. Like, so his skull would be about there and the hair adds a bit on top, right? So this and this are about the same. That's roughly where his chin would be. And then the jaw just comes up the side. And then on this side, see a bit more of it up there. We can't see any of his other eye. There's just like shadow in here. And then he has these 3 vents or sort of holes. We color them in. Like so. Right, so then we can kind of see armor covering his clothing, right? So we got like his collar here, here, down this way, down that way. And then this line goes right across his body down to there. And then this one just closes it off here. And then we have his black shirt inside with a V like that. And then just some neck muscles, Adam's apple and stuff just there. Okay, so the armor seems to be different on both sides, right? So the collar, so this collar comes down there. It's got like an edge and then some armor plates. This collar goes up. It's got an edge as well. Some armor plating lines. So then his collar, like his neck, goes that way. There, like his trapezius, right? And then there's another purple section of armor here. Right, and then we have these big shoulder pads that cover things, right? So like curving down this way. That, right, and then he has like some armor inside. So let me see. So we got like his armpit here, and then this armor comes down there. So like his bicep, tricep that way, and then his body in there. Right, we do the same kind of over here. Not exactly the same, but these sorts of fins. There. There. And then his armpit, sort of again, kind of here. And that's like the side of his body. There's like armor then on that. Okay, and then the bicep sort of, we can see like it's strapped onto his arm on this side for some reason and not on the other. arm must be turned away. Right, and then there's all armor inside here. So we got like all this armor. Plating lines coming across his body. Like so. Right, so then, like you can put some edge lines on things. And we'll draw Indra's arrow. So I'm going to draw the arrow pointing up, right? Just so we know it's like an arrow. So just up here, right? And it can be sort of an odd shape. It doesn't have to be like a perfect arrow because it is lightning. Right, you can have some lines coming off it and stuff. Some around it. And then the bow, sort of in this hand, right? So it'll come out from kind of behind. His arm here. Right, so that's the arrow, that's the bow. Adult Sasuke with Indra's arrow. Hope it's helpful, guys. Well done to the person who drew this. It's slick. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.